Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Coinbase Wallet recovery phrase. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Then you want to go to your profile by choosing the icon at the lower right corner of the screen. From here, you want to tap the gear icon to go to settings. In settings, you want to choose your wallet with the recovery phrase. For me, this one, the first one. Then from here, you want to select the recovery phrase. Now, keep in mind, you can only see the recovery phrase if you created an encrypted backup using Google Drive or iCloud. If no backup was made, you will need to create a new Coinbase Wallet account. The recovery phrase is what gives you and only you access to move funds that you have received. And for security purposes, it is not showing on the screen as I clicked on it, but you'll get a prompt asking for permission to view it, and just go ahead and tap allow, and you'll see your 12-word recovery phrase. You can copy it to your clipboard or even back it up to Google Drive or iCloud if you prefer. And that's it. You now know how to find your recovery phrase on Coinbase Wallet. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.